just finished fishing this morning with my boy Mat-tat-tat. Started off at the Buffalo Springs Lake, and then kind of got busy with some boaters and jet skis, so we moved over here to Stone Lake in town and caught one more. I caught one more. Now it's about lunchtime. I'm heading home. Finally broke the curse on the camera. It seemed like every time I took the camera out this year, I wouldn't catch anything, or I'd catch one. And when I wouldn't take the camera, I'd catch 4 or 5. So pretty sure my camera was cursed. But broke the curse today, caught a couple. And it was a good morning. It's getting really hot. It's almost July. So about 100 degrees today probably. I don't know, 90 something. Anyway, stay tuned and enjoy. So glad that wasn't on camera. I just wiped out. Sweet. Coming down here. Fish are jumping everywhere. So hopefully I can get in on the action. Whew. Big splashes, man. There's one. On the whopper plopper. Come here, buddy. Oh. Well, at least it's on camera. There was one on the whopper plopper. It's a, I don't know, bluegill color, dark, white colored bottom. It's not the big one. It's the one right, I guess it's a little bit cheaper. I'm a little apprehensive about going down to the water because I already fell once, so that wasn't cool. Get back out there, maybe there's more hanging around. I was using a steady retrieve and wasn't getting anything. And I switched up to like almost like a popper retrieve, and he bit that one. Just kind of erratic and sporadic. There's still some active fish over there. Oh. And that's what happens when you hit a concrete pillar. First cast. Didn't even have the camera on. Little bitty baby. Little bitty baby. Sorry, buddy. It's a long way down there, but. Honestly, I was just burning this thing back because I thought it was going to get hung up in the cattails. But, what the heck? In a tree. What the heck, man? Ay, ay, ay. You'll never believe what happens next. All right, got Mat-tat-tat here. Something's hitting this right here. Maybe a bluegill, but oh, here comes triple dragon.
I think that's a perch. It's just kind of tapping it.
Oh, is it? Yeah, okay.
I mean, I'll catch perch. Perch lives matter.
Perch lives matter. I'm gonna flip my crawler around here because it messed me up. Looks like it's swimming to me. Is that you? Oh. No. I hear you. Yeah, I was just burning it by those weeds trying to get it in because I thought it was gonna get hung up. And then it just was like, what the heck? First cast. Just picked off the easy one. Stone Lake. Mat-tat-tat. Over there. Try to catch us a couple bucket mouths or something, anything. Oh, first catch of the day. Very nice. More grass. Oh, look at this. Here we go. Hey, he's not snagged, dude. I mean, he's hooked on the side, but ow.
You're about to lose all your sponsorships.
No, dude, he's hooked in the mouth too.
There you go. That in the collection. Talk to your line.
Can't get it out. Hey, hold on, buddy. Yeah. I'm sorry, dude. I'm trying. Hold on, buddy. Oh, you got it out by yourself? Hey, good job, bro.
So hope.
There he is. All right. He got it out by himself. Sorry, buddy. Here you go. All right.
Where did you catch it?
No skunk.
Right there?
He actually was he wasn't too far off the bottom of this ledge, dude. If you had that wacky one, we should throw it in the shade right there.
Oh yeah.
That's about where he hit it.
I think there's another step.
I couldn't get the hook out, but he got it out himself. It's the kind of fish I like, you know. I couldn't even get I was all trying to get the pliers open. They wouldn't open. It was ringing around. I was like, why aren't these open? It's a secret. Leave your O-rings on your pliers. You'll never have to worry about, I don't know. I don't even know how that happened. Once again, Sexy Shad came through. Strike King Red Eye Shad is the model, I guess, and Sexy Shad is the color.